Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a fast and easy pineapple ice cream. This is a great alternative to processed ice cream, and this is very high in vitamin C and all natural. So let's go ahead and start. So when it comes to the ingredients, I already have it laid out. We're going to start off with 140 grams of frozen pineapple. All right. Next is a quarter cup of unsweetened almond milk. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of vegan cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of stevia. Now, before I go into mixing it, I just want to show you the ingredients I use exactly. So with the cream cheese, I use Vivo Life cream cheese, all right? Silk almond milk, unsweetened. And with the pineapple, I just bought this from the store. I like fresh organic pineapple, wait for it to ripe, chopped it up, threw it in a Ziploc and froze it, all right? And then with the stevia, it's over here. The Puree Stevia, organic. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But let's go ahead and start the ice cream. So we're gonna go ahead and use a high-powered blender, okay? I'm using a Vitamix. So let's go ahead and throw everything in. So frozen pineapple, almond milk, cream cheese, and our stevia. Go ahead and cover. You want to get one of these sticks, put it in first and blend. And this is how you make vegan pineapple ice cream. That cream cheese that I put in there definitely brings out, wow, that creamy taste. It's so good. Delicious. This is how you make vegan pineapple ice cream. I hope you tried this out. If you like this video, please comment, like, and share. Also, I will have the macronutrients and the rest of the ingredients and description of this recipe in the description box. Just check that out. But with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.